If you're wondering if there's such thing as free cars, today you're gonna find out that they do exist. That's how we do when you stay tuned to Automotive for Beginners. You get the hookups most people don't show you on the internet. So stick around to learn more.
Automotive for Beginners.
One place I'll show offers low price tags and low interest rate car loans that you might need. And I'll even show you where to find cars 100% free. If one source runs out of free cars, you can always try the next source I mentioned here. Anyone making about 55 grand in income or less can qualify for these types of programs. If you're making 80 grand and up, you probably don't need any of these programs. You're pretty much set for life. Alright, so the best place to start looking for low price cars with low interest rate loans is with non-profit organizations. They are a bit tough to find since they don't advertise that they've got low price cars available, but since you come here, you can find out where these non-profits are. The first place to look is workingcarsforworkingfamilies.org. If you visit their website, they have a section called Find a Program, where they offer cars to those who are in need. All you have to do is enter in your zip code, and results will show which organizations in your area offer those low price cars. Gather a list of all the places you find available in your area and give these places a call to see if you qualify for a hookup ride. Next, we'll see where you can find cars that are 100% free. If you visit 800charitycars.org, you can apply for a free car that's been donated. All you have to do is hit the apply button and fill out your name and email address. Then wait to get a response and you go from there. Just last year alone, 800 charity cars awarded $6.4 million worth of cars alone to vets and families in need. That's a lot of vehicles, so be sure to check them out. Now once you've got a car, low cost or free, you'll likely have to repair them as time goes by, and you'll probably want to save money again when it comes time to fix your vehicle. That's where other non-profit organizations come into play again. These places hire ex-felons or people who need a second chance in life, and these institutions train these people to fix cars. So in return for them learning how to fix cars, they essentially are willing to fix your car at a low price or even for free. So if you want to learn more about where these places are to get your repairs done, check out the link below. You'll also find tons of other resources on where to find more low interest rate loans, not only for cars, but for your home or maybe a business you might want to start up. There's so many programs you can learn about here if the two places I showed you run out of resources. So check out the link below. You definitely don't want to pass on this. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit subscribe and like. This is Automotive for Beginners, and we'll see you in the next one.